Hello, welcome you all in the continuation of DP-600 Microsoft Fabric examination series. Here we are going to discuss most important question of this examination. There are highest probability that you will get the same question in your examination. So please try to understand the concept of each and every question and don't mug up. Here we have question number 6, which is under hotspot category. Here you have a fabric tenant that contains a warehouse named as warehouse 1. Warehouse 1 contains 3 schemas named as schema A, B and C. You need to ensure that a user named as user 1 can truncate table in schema A only. Here we have a T-SQL statement, we have to complete that. So here user 1 can truncate the tables in schema A only. So we need to provide a permission to user A so that they can truncate the schema A. So to provide a permission, we need to change the permission, which can be done by grant, alter command, and we need to change the permission in schema A. So here we have 3 options. Which one will be correct? Please try to think. There is one more bonus question for you. Did you know about what is warehouse and what is schema? If you know, then please push a comment that you know what about them. If you don't know, then please push a comment so that I will provide you one more video about that. Here the correct answer will be schema A. So the final T-SQL statement will be grant alter command on schema A to user 1. I hope so that you will like this concept, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.